In conclusion, we've now looked at all the tools of the File Explorer as well as various tools to manage your experience on Windows 10. And in closing, we're going to look at one particular tool that you'll have available to you if you're going to be working with an external hard drive or even the resident hard drive on your personal computer. And if you click on any external hard drive, you're going to see that you're going to have drive tools available. You can then click on the Manage link, and you're going to notice three sets of tools: the BitLocker, the Manage area, and then the Media area. You can optimize a drive by clicking here, and this will help you to defragment your drive so they'll run more effectively. You can analyze the drive you want to optimize and then optimize using this button. You can also use the cleanup feature. Now, this is typically only going to be relevant with your particular hard drive, but what the analysis does, it gives you a picture of what you can clean up on a particular drive. For example, in looking at this hard drive, there are 50 megabytes of temporary internet files that could be cleaned up. Now, if you need to format a drive, you can then click this button. You can also use the BitLocker in order to encrypt the data on your drive or any set of drives that you want to work with. And finally, you can use the autoplay command, and you can choose a default action for working with a particular drive. And you can do that using this dialog menu. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.